Next.
Next, we have top player number 13, Don Robert, as Kabir Scorpion! Ayan, magpe-fatality na yan ngayon.
Fatality.
Oh!
Parang ano to ng akit bahay gang, no? Mga hybrid.
Mamaya magpe-fatality yan.
Ninja.
Okay, number 14. Ito na, mabigat nito. Christian Wally as Heavy Duty from G.I. Joe, the movie. Kailangan na sa defect. Teka. Nakakaibang action figure ito eh.
Ano to eh? Nagpa-check up ka na ba? Baka epileptic ka kasi. Mahirap na sa mineral water. Sige.
Ito, ngayon. Handa na tayo for cosplay number 15 is Christy Lozano as Coena from Yu Yu Hakusho. Yan, Ghost Fighter yan. Sabi na.
Nakamawag pa rin hanggang ngayon eh.
Kalaway na, aswing state. Alam. Okay. We have Batman Lee as Sakura from Naruto.
Ingat, madulas. May iniwan si Joker.
Ito, dynamic duo. From Final Fantasy, Richard Rhodes and Kenzo Hirato as Paul and Cypher.
Hoy! What the?
Yan, magkarambulan na.
Ayan, Espadano.
Oh!
Ihanda na ng ating honeymoon suite. May bubuksan.
Parang ano, no?
May mga kliyente na sila.
Man to man, no? Pang DVD. DVD yun. Let's continue. Medyo, nakashock pa ako kasi mamaya di ako makatulog na maayos eh. We have Michael Villegas as Balani.
From a video game.
From a video game.
Isa pa itong malaki ang espada. Go! Sirmos, masaksakan ng meron. Masakit yun. Masakit yun.
Malaking palakol.
Parang si King Arthur.
King Arthur.
Medyo modern. We have Eddie Suarez. Also from a character from Naruto.
Sage mode yan. Jiraiya. Sage mode.
Matanong mo lang, ano, kasi alam ko, nagkaroon ng time na usong-uso yung Abayanas. Ano ang tawag yan sa Chineses mo? Abayanas.
Ano to ito? This is Spartan!
Yan ang ito.
Abayanas ka ka dyan. Spartan!
Baka yayaman ka niyan, ano? Maging endorser ka. Oo, sa'yo. Pakita mo yung sa kanila. Alright. We have Annie Sama as Hanini. Is that right? Hanini.
Haruhi! Haruhi!
Anuhi.
Haruhi!
Sorry.
Haruhi from Melancholy of Haruhi Suzuyama.
Ito sa Mia!
Ito may spin. May spin. Nakakayero, makakoring siya, di ba?
Saka singer, may future yan.
May future ka.
Okay, our last contestant is Arliza Estrella from Showbiz.
Oh.
Parang simple ng
Oh.
Parang simple na makapunta. Okay ka lang? Ayan.
Sinabi, di ba yung mga ganyan maikling shorts dito sa S?
So that is our last cosplayer.
Alright. Pero, so we're going to need the judges to tabulate the scores, rather.
And I'd just like to also mention that all cosplayers will receive a certificate of participation from E-Games. Please claim your certificate at the Cosplay PH booth. Nandiyan lang po siya. Kunin po yung certificate of appreciation.
Alright, once again, gotta invite them all to your grand event.
Okay, we'd like to remind everybody, this is September 13, 2009, Cosplay Mania, the biggest cosplay event here in the Philippines. That is in SM Megatrade Halls 2 and 3, function rooms A and B in SM Mega Mall. See you guys over there. This is Kero signing out.
Alright, thank you, Jero. Okay yan. Ikaw, sino ba yung ano mo?
Okay, thank you sa akin.